Meaning of homeostasis.
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 Homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability of living organisms to maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in their external environment. This process involves various physiological and behavioral mechanisms that work together to regulate body temperature, pH levels, fluid balance, and other important parameters. For example, when body temperature rises, the body will increase blood flow to the skin and sweat glands to dissipate heat, while also decreasing heat production. Homeostasis is crucial for the survival and optimal functioning of organisms, as disruptions can lead to diseases and other health problems.